Okay, so we just got off the elevator. We're on the fifth floor and we're about to go into the model. So I just wanted you to see what it looks like here in the hallway. The hallway is well lit. It's got kind of light, very light colors. It's got off-white walls, and then the door is it's kind of a mint color, and it's got kind of a frame around it, so it feels good. I like the kind of the light subdued colors that they have throughout this building. It's just a great feel. Here's the actual model. It's number 500. We're going to walk in, and first thing I notice is the really pretty hardwoods that are here. Those are gorgeous. It's got brown, even kind of maybe even a little bit of yellow, cream, gray, so that's really, really pretty. There's a guest bath that's over here. That's, oh goodness, I just love those tiles. Are humongous. They're like 6 by 18 tiles. That's really neat. There are some pretty cabinets of brown, and then the top is a granite, a really pretty thin granite. I like it. And anyway, that's the guest bath. And let's go down the hallway a bit more. You can see over here a closet. It's a really good sized closet, and what I'm noticing, it's really tall, so you could fit a lot in there. Wow. Okay. Very nice. We're gonna open this, and washer dryer, all set up, ready to go. Nice. Love the washer dryer. And then over here, ooh, look at this, y'all. It's got two. This is unusual. It's got two shelves, and man, I don't think I ever have seen two shelves in an apartment. That's really, really rare. Maybe one other time, but this is really, really nice. That's a lot of space and storage for this area, so that's great. Okay, so we're gonna walk in, and let's take a look. So I'm walking in, and I'm noticing just right off, I'm gonna turn to the left, and there is a lot of light here. It's really pretty. There's a lot of space here as well. So what they're doing is they have some windows that are about 50% or so, and that's one. There's some over there, and there's a lot of wall space. So you can, if you're an art lover, you can put some wonderful paintings up here, or all, whatever you'd like, but you have a lot of room to work with. So they've put a small table over there, kitchen table. They've put this kind of dresser, if you would, or cabinet, whatever you want to call it. I guess dresser, buffet, but it's here, and it's lower, so it easily goes below the window. So that could hold a lot of stuff here too, that's related to the kitchen or other things. And then you've got a wonderful island. The island it's enough to hold 3 chairs. And this kitchen it's a good sized kitchen. First of all, there's some pretty lights that I'm like seeing here. Those are gorgeous. And then let's look inside the kitchen. So brown cabinets, huge. I love it. Love when the handles are huge like that. So huge. You've got Whirlpool appliances. And oh yes, check. You got some gas. So love the gas. That's awesome. You've got a lot of cabinets here, so you really do have a lot of space to work with on the cabinets. You're going to have a lot of storage. You've got a lot of these under here too. You really, really do have. Oh goodness, and there's pretty much a pantry right over there. And then here is an open cabinet. I always love those. Oh wow, see, lots of space. My goodness. So plenty of space there, and it doesn't end, because in the island, look, there's more space here. This is just, wow, very impressive. And a wine fridge right there. So nice touch, love it. So this is the kitchen. It's well lit, feels great, and the outside light is just making the whole place, because it's just got so many windows. Here is the living area they've got. Because it's windows, I mean, you can really do whatever you want. But I like how they've done it. They've just put one chair over here, and then they've got a couch that's over here, and then they put the TV over here. I think this makes perfect sense. for what they've done. I really, really like it. So this is mostly a decorative, highly decorative table. Oh, and sorry, it does open too. Yes, it does. Nice. I like this. I like this a lot. So really, really pretty. And then what you notice too, there was some built-ins over there. So those shelves built in look just so great. Love them. All right, so wow. This is a great view. Hope you're enjoying this. I am. This is so fun. Look at this. Just a pretty apartment with a pretty view. And one of my favorite things to do is check out balconies. So I love this. Look at this. Oh, wow. Okay, the views are just amazing. I like it because I can see downtown Dallas over there. I can see Uptown Dallas over here. There's also a lot of trees in the area, and so it just feels great in here. The wind's blowing a little bit gently right now, and right over there is McKinney Avenue. So the trolley just passed too. So this balcony is rather large. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got seven to 8 steps. And then that's just one side, and then there's this too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So about six steps here, 7 or 8 steps over there. Really large. So you could have, gosh, you could probably have 8 people out here, 10 people, no big deal. Beautiful balcony. Absolutely love it. So let's explore the rest.